Beginnings of Islam really are centered on the life and the revelations of Muslim Prophet Muhammad SAW. Kaaba is the center of Islamic worship. 570, Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca, Arabia on 12 Rabi al-Awwal. Prophet Muhammad was born into a very prominent family in Mecca. He was born to the Quraysh tribe, but his early life was quite difficult. His father died before he was born. His mother dies when the Prophet is still 6 years old. His grandfather, who takes custody of him, dies when he is 8 years old. He goes under the custody of his uncle, Talib. He grows older, he does learn a skill, he essentially becomes a merchant. He goes on taking journey with his uncle Talib to a place like Syria. He gets title Al-Amin, the trustworthy one, as he will be forward. The Prophet from his humble now become worthy and quite respectful. When Prophet Muhammad SAW, 25 years old, a very wealthy widow ruling one of the wealthiest people in all of Mecca, Khadijah, 40 years old. She emplaces Prophet because of his honesty, ability, and trustworthy. Khadijah proposes him, and he accepts the proposal. Khadijah gave birth to 3 sons and 4 daughters. None of the male children survived. They all died when the childhood was young. Khadijah is the first one to follow Prophet Muhammad SAW and to lead Prophet Muhammad SAW revelations. The Mount of Light, Jabal an-Nur, is the place that the Prophet secluding himself while praying in the cave of Mount Hira. It was one of these nights that Jibril appeared and asked the Prophet to read, but he can't believe his eyes. The Prophet amazed by the sight of the angel. Jibril asked the Prophet to read 3 times, read. It's how he got his first revelation. Read in the name of your Lord, who created man from a drop of blood. Read from your Lord is the most generous. He taught by the pen, taught man what he didn't know. Prophet Muhammad SAW said that idol worship is a sin. There is no God but God.